Good morning, families and friends. You see, my topic for this morning is don't ignore God's law of restitution, based on Exodus 22, 1 to 15 and 17. You see, in Exodus chapter 22, God gave Israel a set of laws that may sound ancient. It's about stolen sheep, damaged fields, or borrowed oxen. However, behind those rules is a timeless truth. See, God cares deeply about justice, honesty, and responsibility. See, God's law didn't just say, don't steal. It said, if you do, make it right. See, the thief had to restore sometimes double or even 4 times what was taken. You see, that's because in God's eyes, repentance is not just saying sorry, but it's making things right. You know, Ellen White wrote, those who have injured others by false dealings should make restitution. Steps to Christ, pages 95. In other words, confession without correction is incomplete. You see, these verses also teach us about integrity when no one is watching. If someone borrowed or kept or guarded something, they were accountable to God Himself. You see, even a private oath before the Lord was enough, because God sees the heart. Friends, in a world where honesty is fading, God is still calling His people to live differently, to walk in integrity, to take responsibility, and to repair what we break. You see, the message in Exodus 22 is simple, but it's powerful. See, faith is not just about belief. It's how you behave. You see, true Christianity is honesty in business, fairness in relationship, and purity in conduct. So today, let's live like Christ, the one who didn't just forgive our debts, but paid it in full. God bless.